Let me show you how this IKEA drawer mounts. This is a bottom mount drawer slide that has part of it in the drawer's side rail and part of it on the cabinet's gable. It moves or mounts in a straight direction, just like so. For mounting it fairly straightforward, and then it almost extends the same amount as the depth of the cabinet that way. For removal it needs to be lifted up fairly straightforward, but because about a quarter inch or so of the drawer's corner here is underneath the countertop's overhang here, it needs a little bit of wiggling sideways as well. So that's one side is detached there, and there the other side is off too. There, both of them. Just that's how it comes apart. Don't be afraid to give it a little yank. That's how it works. It's meant to work that way. There are multiple names for this kind of drawer section. Is one of them. Older and as well as newer drawer slides IKEA keeps designing, so a number of drawers in multiple cabinet units bound the same way.